Replacing your LG refrigerator water filter takes less than 30 seconds. Just open the housing compartment inside your fridge, twist the old filter counterclockwise, and pull it out. Do remember to take the protective cap off your new filter. Align the locking tabs, push it straight in, and twist clockwise until it clicks shut. Always run about 2 gallons of water through to purge air and carbon fine dust before drinking. And if your fridge only makes ice, just discard the first couple of batches. Now, why buy the genuine LG brand over cheap off-brand copies? First, fitment and leak prevention. Genuine LG filters use precision mold locking teeth and heavy-duty O-rings so you don't end up with water leaking behind your fridge. Second, filtration standards. Official LG filters are NSF certified to reduce lead, mercury, asbestos, and chlorine taste without stripping beneficial minerals. Each filter is rated for 200 gallons or 6 months of continuous use. To keep your eyes clear, your water tasting crisp, and your fridge leak-free, stick with the official LG filters. Highly recommended.